Alright, these are the elevators here at the Springhill Suites by Marriott, Lake Nona, here in Orlando, Florida. And we have some Schindler 3300s here to ride. We'll start our opening doors. Go up to 6. Sixth floor. Down to 1R is locked off. One, stepping right there. Send this car away, try to get the other elevator. And here's this elevator. This one does not have the rear door in the back. Back down to 1. These are quite nice elevators, especially for a Springhill property. These are your FIGS buttons. Floor indicator, capacity is starting 100. This is car 2. Certificate right there. And you're 1. Actually, we'll go and get a view. Let's go to 6. Here on 6. There goes the elevator. And right here you get a view from the 6th floor. Not much to see other than State Road 417. And off in the distance you can see the air control tower for the Orlando International Airport. Down there is the swampland here, like a swamp. Basically a swamp. I don't want to say it's a marsh or something. Probably just a swamp. Get a peek at the guest floor and we'll go back down the elevator. I guess we'll get a view out this way just for the heck of it. Not much to see other than a Publix. Or you can see a Wawa gas station. But otherwise, nothing really exciting other than a Publix, like I said, and a Wawa gas station. Housekeeping room. I assume that's one of your set of steps. Yep, 1-year set of manpower elevators. And now we'll go back down the elevator and end the video. The bad lantern doesn't work on the inside. And now we'll end at 1. And you're at 1. And that'll be it.